Hi everyone. Because we don't get to look at our bikes in motion, because we're obviously riding them, we don't get that perspective. I quite like it when my mates and I swap bikes, and then I can watch my bike normally from behind, and I get a different sort of like view of it. And I think it looks quite nice, particularly when you get that view of that rear single-sided swing arm. Now, the reason I'm doing this is there's not that many pictures of the Vfr or videos of the Vfr in motion on the internet, and some bikes can look fantastic stationary, but for some reason you see them out on the road or pass you by, particularly with the rider on board, and they sort of like they lose the shape a little bit, or they lose the sort of lines that you like, simply because they're moving, somebody sat on it. So that's the reason behind it. So I met up with my son who was filming locally, and he just came along and took a few shots, just slow moving shots, just to get a moving perspective of the Vfr. So let's have a look. So there we are. I hope you get an idea. Bit of an indulgence on my part, but just give you a few different angles of the bike whilst it's moving. Catch you again soon. Bye.